Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new video, and today we're going to be making an air fryer recipe. I know you guys have requested to see that a lot, so I went online and I found this recipe for fried Oreos in an air fryer, and I absolutely love this recipe and I cannot wait to try it because it is literally so simple to make and you can whip it up quickly in like 10 minutes or less. This recipe is so simple, so quick and easy to make, and I am living for this. So let's get started. To make this recipe, all you'll need are 3 simple ingredients. So first I have these Pillsbury crescent rolls. I have a package of Oreos, and you'll just need some powdered sugar for dusting. First, all you have to do is take your crescent rolls and lay them out on a tray with some parchment paper. And the nice thing about the crescent roll dough is that they cut it into nice little triangles for you. So just lay out all the triangles. So then just take an Oreo and place it onto the wider side of the triangle. What you want to do now is completely wrap the Oreo in the dough. When it's wrapped, it should look like this. It's just completely covered. So I'm going to do that to the rest of my fried Oreos now. And make sure you're packing in the dough and just lightly pressing it together to make sure that there's no Oreo showing through. Next, we're just going to preheat the air fryer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 minutes. So here I just have a little bit of vegetable oil and a pastry brush, and I'm just going to quickly brush the bottom of the air fryer basket with some oil. And now you can go ahead and put your fried Oreos into the air fryer, but make sure that they are separated by at least 1 inch apart. And we're going to bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 4 to 5 minutes. So now I've taken my fried Oreos out of the air fryer and I just transferred them to a plate. And now the final step is to just take some powdered sugar and lightly dust that on top. I have this little shaker, but if you don't have this shaker, you can put the powdered sugar through a strainer. And so now I'm just going to cover them with some powdered sugar. And they're done! These are the finished fried Oreos made in the air fryer. I love how these turned out. They smell incredible and I cannot wait to eat these. And they just look beautiful with the powdered sugar on top. And this was just so simple and so quick to make. So I definitely think it's great if you need to make like a quick dessert in a pinch, if you have like friends coming over or something. And yeah, I love it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I plan to post a lot more videos this summer. And comment down below any questions or suggestions for future videos, or if you have any more ideas for more air fryer recipes, let me know. Follow me on my social medias. They're in the description. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!